In this video, I wanted to make just a quick tutorial on how I go about doing my listing process and how exactly I sell similar off of my items. With this bulk haul, I have a lot of like items, just maybe different color or different size, but they are like the same brand in the same style of clothing. So in this video, I'm just gonna touch on how I sell similar or create a copy out of my own draft bank to help speed up the listing process. Check it out. All right, so we're jumping into the computer. Let's see how I go about listing this 1901 jacket. It's just a men's blazer. I have two of them. So I've already created a listing of one of them. So I got the price, I got everything set up. Now I just need to create a copy since I have two of these jackets. So just gonna go ahead and check it and hit create copy. It's gonna prompt you to make sure you're copying the correct item you're wanting to copy. You do need to be very careful of this and make sure you're not creating more copies than you need to, and also double check that you are copying the correct item. So once we have that, we just create a copy. I'm going to use new photos. I do not use the same photos. I just take new pictures, mainly because I know that eBay can tell that I just reused photos from another listing. They can check the metadata on the photos. So just to help streamline the process, take different photos, and now we're going to go ahead and resume the draft. And I have the item right here. It's just nothing special, just a nice sport coat blazer with tags. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double check the title, yes, and now since this is the second copy, I'm going to just put A1. So now I can go down the line all the way up to however many items you have. So A1, and then I'm also going to change the SKU number. So this is very important because you don't want to be making duplicate SKUs. So that's usually the first two things I check: the title, the SKU, and then we move on down, new with tags, and then I'm going to import my pictures. So yep, we got the pictures right here, and it should be 12 of them. I take 12 photos for every item. That way I know I have as many pictures for the end buyer as possible, and including measurements and as many details that can accurately describe my item. People try to fill out item specifics to get this little blue lightning bolt here, and that's not necessarily the right way. We need to be describing our items as accurately as possible. So therefore, if it does not pertain or if it is not relevant to the item you're listing, leave it blank. Do not put NA, do not put not applicable, do not put no, just leave it blank, because eBay's trying to have the algorithm be as accurate as possible, and if you're listing things that are not true about your item, it's going to be harder for buyers to find your item, which is a whole new video that I'll make separately on item specifics. But I just wanted to give you this quick video here. That's it. Once your pictures are uploaded, maybe I'll check the cropping on a few of them just to make sure everything's looking good, and that's it. You know, you don't need to mess with the item specifics because you've already created this listing, and now you're done. Sometimes I'll put A1 after that, but not necessary. Price is already there, price for shipping, and save draft. And that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this can be helpful for you along your journey. If you're getting value out of this, please consider subscribing, as I am producing content on a daily basis when it comes to all things reselling to help you go further, faster in your journey as a reseller. I hope this video was helpful to you, as I have greatly increased my listing process just by applying this technique. Selling similar or creating a copy out of your draft bank will help you speed up your listing process and help you generate more sales or focus on other things like sourcing and putting items away. So consider subscribing. I hope that this was helpful to you. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care.